Uh, Good morning, students. We will be beginning our computer graphics practical sessions. Now, before starting to do the practical sessions, first of all, we will be doing several programs to implement or understand the concept of computer graphics, and these programs will be done in C language. I will be using the Dev C++ compiler. If you want, you can use any other compiler available in the market like CodeBlocks and all. So I will show you how to install the Dev C++, and also after doing that how to install or incorporate the graphics packages in the Dev C++ before starting the lab. So first of all, let us go to the folder. Okay, so here as you can see, I have got the Dev C++ 5.9.2 setup, and I have downloaded this from the internet, where I have typed download Dev C++ compiler for Windows 7 32-bit OS. Since I have a Windows 7 platform and my OS is 32-bit, I have typed this. If your OS is something else, you should type that. And by typing that, several links are there like SourceForgeNet, FileHippo, FileHorse and all. I have downloaded it from the FileHippo site. So first let me install the DevC ++ compiler. So I will right click on this setup file, this application file. I will right click on this and then I will run as administrator. Yes, and all the packages are being loading. The language should be English, so okay, then I agree, then next, then install. It will take 2 to 3 minutes for all the files and all the libraries being installed. It's almost done. Again, I am repeating, this setup is for my laptop and the compatibility is Windows 7 32-bit. If you have some other specification, you need to download the specific file from the net. So this says that the setup is completed. Click finish. So I will click the finish button, and then you can see, if you click the finish button, the main page it will disappear from here, and in the downward section here you will have the Dev C++ icon. So I will click on that, and by clicking on that you will see a window pops up, and there I need to click the next button, then again the next button, and then press OK, and that's it. So the compiler is being installed, and so whenever I will start to do a program, I will go to file, I will go to new, then I will go to project, and from there I will choose the default C++ project is the thing is on, and I will click on OK, and I will start doing my programs. Okay, so the basic installation is done. Now I will show you how to include the graphics packages in the compiler, in the Dev C++ compiler, because without using the graphics packages, your program won't run on the computer graphics level. Like Dev C++ is a compiler on which we do the C programs and the C++ programs, but in order to show the images as an output, you need to install the graphics package as well. So here in this folder I have already downloaded a few packages like WinBGIM. Then here it is graphics header file, then there is a WinBGIM header file, and there is a libbgi header file, a file. So these three files I need to include in our just install Dev C++ compiler in order to complete the entire installation. Now this graphics header file and this WinBGIM header file, these two files need to be copied and pasted in the Dev C++ software where we have newly installed our software. So we need to, so this graphics header file and WinBGIM header file, I have selected both, right click, copy, and we will go to the C drive in the program files where my Dev C++ compiler is installed. So in the program files I am going to DevCP. Here I am going to MinGW64, this folder. Here inside x8664, this folder, inside include folder. So here I will simply paste whatever I have copied. So continue, fine. Then again I will return to where I was. Okay, now the libbgi folder, same ways I will copy this. I will go to the C drive, I will go to program files, then DevCP, then this one, then in the lib folder, sorry, here I will go here, then again inside this in the lib folder I will be pasting this one. Continue, fine, okay. And now we will copy the 6 console app graphics, this file and this file. We will copy that and we will again go back to the program files, DevCpp, program files, DevCpp, then here templates, and we will paste that. Okay, so all the basic installations are done now. All the basic installations are done. Now I will run a sample graphics program to see whether what we have installed is okay or not. Okay, so first we installed the graphics the Dev C++ compiler. Then we included the graphics and the WinBGIM folder in the respective include folder, and then we included the libbgi.a file in the respective bin folder, and then after that this 6 console app graphics folder and this console app cpp graph text document, this to be included in the templates folder. So there is a text test for testing. I have a program. So let's run this program and see that whether this program is running perfectly and whether we are receiving the output or not. So this is the program and I will compile and run. So yes, we have got the program. So you can see two windows, right? So in this windows, what happens? We need to provide the inputs, like in C programs, there a window used to come and we used to provide input in that window. This is that window that will take the inputs from the keyboard. And then in this Windows BGI, this window, this will show you or display the execution of the program, and it will display the colorful images or patterns of the respective programs. Okay, so this is how we should install the Dev C++ compiler, and by running a small test program you can also check whether this compiler has been installed correctly. So do follow the steps carefully. I will be attaching all the things in the Google Classroom, so do follow the steps carefully, see the video, and accordingly in your own laptop or PC install the compiler in the same manner. I hope you have been able to set up your laptop or PC, and so that we can start writing our programs from the next class. Thank you so much.